Hello, woof everyone. Toney Taigan Azawakh here. Welcome to my first video tutorial. And today I would like to show you how to make your very own pet dog tug toy goldfish with the aquarium included. This is what you're going to need. If you're using two dog tug toys in this project, you could purchase them at Walmart, Dollar Tree, or Family Dollar for 99 cents to only $2. One hardback dog bowl that you could purchase at Family Dollar or Dollar Tree. Material that I have cut out already. You could purchase that at AC Moore, Michaels, or Walmart. A black Sharpie marker, a pair of scissors, an old hairbrush to help fluff out the ends of your pet dog tug toy goldfish, seashells, googly eyes, put those back right there, a bag of blue basket filler, and E6000 glue. If you have any other types of glue that you use in your arts and crafts project, that's fine. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we brought one goldfish to life. And this one, I decided to make him a boy because he looks like a boy to me. And you take your old brush and fluff out the ends right here, groom them so it'll be nice and organized. And you could see that as we had glued on the googly eyes, they're already slowly but surely taking on their own personality. Let's double check to make sure the eyes is secure and in its place. So when it dries, it'll be nice and secured down to the base. Alright, that's one goldfish. Set him to the side so he can continue to dry. All right, and that's the second one. And I decided to make this goldfish a girl. Oh, and one more thing. For the googly eyes, you could purchase them at your local retail stores such as Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Michael's, or AC Moore. And just like I did with the first goldfish, you have to make sure that the eyes are secure and down to the base so they can dry and be smooth. Oh, look at her. Isn't she cute? Let's sit her to the side. Now, to put the cap back on the E6000 glue, sit that right there. Now, to move on to the aquarium. Okay, for this one, what we were about to do, you don't need no E6000 or any other crafting glue that you use to make this happen. So, for this one, this is a piece of old cleaning cloth that I cut out already. And what I did, I had put it on top of this material and took my sharpie marker. I'm gonna demonstrate and show you how I did it. Did it just like that, and then took my black sharpie marker and traced it around the circle, and then took my scissors and then cut around the whole circle so that when you place it in the inside, it could be the water. It's that simple, you guys. All right, started with this part. We're going to place that inside. Make sure it fill up all the nooks and crannies, and you also have to smooth it out too. That's one. All right, it looks just like this. That's the first step. Second step, the water, supposedly. And you smooth it out, work out all the nooks and crannies just like you did the first base. And it looks like that. See, it's that simple. This project is so easy to make, and you could do this either during the winter time, the springtime, or the summertime with the little ones. Okay, now to decorate the little aquarium, we're going to use these seashells. So your little dog tug toy goldfishes can be nice and comfortable in their new home. You can use other things too. You don't necessarily have to use seashells, but I just prefer seashells for mine. All right. Now, a bag of blue basket fillers just to add some pizzazz to their home. It's okay to use a little, not a lot. You could use the little bit that's left in your bag for any other projects in the future. And what this basket filler is doing, it's going to be cushion for the dog toy pet goldfishes to have something to sleep on during the nights. All right, let's add a little bit more. Yeah, right there. All right. Saved a little bit for our next project. All right. Keep my little station clean. And that's it. It's that simple, you guys. Now, the pet dog tuck toy goldfishes are ready to go into their new homes. Oh, look at that, you guys. Isn't that cute? Now I'm going to have to come up with a name for these two. Any ideas? If you like this video, be be free to subscribe and comment on how you like it. And if you would like to see more crafting videos from me very soon, don't be afraid to shoot me a message anytime you like, and I will do my best to upload more videos very soon. Thank you for watching. This is Toney Taigan Azawakh signing out. I love you all. Bye bye.